Hello everyone, welcome to our channel Puntush Toys. Today I will show you lots of animals. Here I have wild animals and farm animals and one sea animal. So let's start. Our first animal is turtle. Turtles are absolutely amazing creatures. Did you know that sea turtle can hold their breath for 5 hours? Do you know turtle doesn't have teeth? Bye bye turtle. Our next animal is bear. Bears are large, powerful mammals related to dogs and raccoons. Bears love to eat human foods and dog food also. Lion. Nearly all wild lions live in Africa, but some small population exist elsewhere. Lions are big eaters. They hunt during storms. Bye bye lion. Our next animal is panda. Pandas' eyes are different to normal bears. Pandas can swim and even climbing up trees. They spend a lot of their day eating. Bamboo is critical to their diet. Next animal is rhinoceros. There are 5 kinds of rhinos in the world. Rhino can weigh over 3 tons. Black and white rhinoceros are both in fact gray. Rhinoceros have poor vision. Our next animal is duck. Duck is a small type of swimming bird. They have webbed feet to help them swim. They can live in fresh water or seawater, and their feathers are waterproof. Bye bye duck. Our next animal is rooster. Rooster is a farm animal. Male chickens are called rooster. Roosters often have brightly colored feathers. They can be red, green, brown, black, or other colors. Our next animal is goat. Goat is a domestic animal. Domestic goats live on farms. They produce milk, butter, and yummy goat's cheese. Goat is a very social animal. Bye bye goat. Our next animal is hippopotamus. Hippopotamus is the 3rd largest mammal on earth. Hippopotamus eat only plants, grass, and fruits. Hippopotamus skins are very sensitive. It's all for today. See you in the next video. Bye bye everyone. Thank you for watching. Welcome to our channel Puntush Toys.
Polar bear. Polar bears are classified as marine mammals. They can swim constantly for days at a time. Less than 2% of polar bear hunts are successful. Next animal is giraffe. Giraffes are the tallest mammal in the world. Giraffes can stand half an hour after being born. Giraffes don't need much sleep. Cheetah. Cheetahs are the fastest land animal on Earth. Cheetahs don't roar. Only male cheetahs are social. Next animal is kangaroo. Kangaroos are the largest marsupials on Earth. They come in many shapes and sizes. They're left-handed. Rhinoceros. Rhinos can weigh over 3 tons. Black and white rhinos are both, in fact, gray. Rhinos have poor vision. Javon rhinos are only found in one small place. Next animal is gorilla. Gorilla live into isolated groups. We share around 98% of our DNA with gorillas. They're one of the biggest, most powerful living primates. Elephant. Elephants are the world's largest land animal. Their trunks have mad scales. Their tusks are actually teeth. They've got thick skin. Elephants are constantly eating. Camel. Camels store water in their blood. Camels are born without humps. Camel milk is incredibly nutritious. Next animal is fox. Foxes are great nighttime predators. Foxes are considered to be solitary animals. Foxes can make over 40 different sounds. Next animal is anteater. Anteater tongues are covered in spines. They have knife-like claws. Anteaters don't just eat ants. Anteaters have no teeth. They are fast runners. Bear. There are 8 bear species in the world. Almost all bears are omnivorous. Bears are large animals. Brown bears are the most widespread bear species. Monkey. Monkeys are intelligent animals that are good at solving problems. Almost all types live together in groups. Tiger. Tigers are the largest amongst other wild cats. A punch from a tiger may kill you. Tigers are nocturnal animals. Tigers love to swim and play in the water. Hippopotamus. Hippos are the 3rd largest mammals on Earth. There are 2 species of hippopotamids. Hippos are strong swimmers. Deer. Deer's eyes are on the side of the head. Deer have great hearing senses, great sense of smell. Deer have special ways of communication. The next animal is zebra. Zebra stripes are most likely a form of pest control. There are 3 species of zebra in the wild. Each species has different types of stripes. They are impressive climbers. They are social animals. They are always on the lookout for danger. Lion. Lions can weigh up to 250 kilograms. Lions are born spotty. A lion's mane can grow up to 16 centimeters long. Cubs are reared together. A group of lions is called a pride. They can eat up to 40 kilograms of meat in a single meal. The next animal is hedgehog. Hedgehogs are lactose intolerant. They are nocturnal. A baby hedgehog is called a hoglet. A group of hedgehogs is called an array. They can walk over 2 miles in one night. Next one is crocodile. Crocodiles have the strongest bite on the planet. Saltwater crocodiles are the largest crocodile species and also the largest living reptile in the world. Crocodiles are highly intelligent animals. Koala. Koala means no drink. They have a specialist diet comprising of poisonous leaves. Next animal is panda. Pandas have excellent camouflage for their habitat. Their eyes are different to normal bears. Cubs are well protected in their first month. Pandas can swim and even climb trees. They spend a lot of their day eating. Bamboo is critical to their diet. And the last one is squirrel. Squirrels run in a zigzag pattern when they feel threatened. Squirrels have 4 front teeth, which never stop growing all their lives. Squirrels mainly communicate using their bushy tails. Bye-bye, everyone. Thank you for watching.
Hello everyone, welcome to our channel Puntush Toys. আজকে অনেকগুলো animals unboxing করে দেখাবো। Bye bye everyone. Thank you for watching.